America. Welcome to the Savage Nation. It's final. It's done. It's over. The turning point has been passed. The tipping point has been reached. We are now becoming Venezuela and on the way to becoming Castro's Cuba. Welcome to the Savage Nation. Here are the questions for the day. Who will pay for the fraud, waste, and corruption called Obamacare? Number 3, is Roberts compromised? Number 4, today we investigate his medication and its effects on his cognition. Number 5, what can you do? The answer is nothing. Sleep is the best revenge. When in doubt, don't exercise, get horizontal. Why do I say that? Because many of you are being misled into believing that if only you'll elect a Republican, things will change. Well, let me remind you of something. Roberts is the spawn of Bush. Roberts is a compromised Supreme Court justice. I am the only one in the media who told you on Wednesday what was going to happen on Thursday. I told it to you Tuesday. Do you remember? I was off yesterday. I was on Tuesday. I took yesterday off because I saw this coming. And the reason I saw it is because they telegraphed it. And how they telegraphed it was they let that compromised beast called Roberts read the opinion about legalizing amnesty for well over 1.2 million illegal aliens. And so I tell you again, ladies and gentlemen, we are now becoming Venezuela and on the way to Castro's Cuba. And all of you smart liberals sitting up there on your high horses, who is going to pay for the fraud, waste, and corruption called Obamacare? Do you have any idea what this is going to cost you? You haven't any idea. All you think is that it's a good thing because Obama wanted it. Well, let me tell you something else. Your life is over as you know it. America is over as you know it. So let's talk about the issues today as they came down. Roberts himself compromised himself, that is clear. But Roberts criticized himself and has no logic in what he said. Listen to what this fool Roberts on the Supreme Court said today. Here is what he said. He said that it is a tax. He said it's a tax, but it wasn't written as a tax. So if it wasn't written as a tax, how could he say it was a taxation that he was passing? It was clearly in the Commerce Clause. Listen to what Roberts wrote. He said the following, and I got to find it exactly so that we don't miss the statement. I don't have it right in front of me, I'll be honest with you. It's a very hot day, possibly one of the most important shows I will ever do for you, because I will argue clearly for you that the individual mandate within Obamacare is not only unconstitutional, as I proved in trickle-up poverty, based upon the Schechter case, which was a clear repudiation of Obama's grandfather, FDR, in the 1940s. I am telling you that I know more about the law than Justice Roberts, because my mind is more clear. My mind is more rational. My mind is less juggled up with politics than theirs are. And I am telling you right now, Roberts is the reason this happened. Roberts is on medication, and we're going to prove it on this show today.